The Car Jump Starter Kit impressively revives completely dead batteries with its 7,000 ampere peak current, making it a reliable choice for all gas and 12-liter diesel engines, even in harsh weather conditions. Equipped with a smart tire inflator that reaches 160 pounds per square inch, this kit offers versatile inflation options for various vehicles and sports equipment, ensuring safety and convenience on the go. This 14-in-1 roadside emergency car kit is a versatile lifesaver, packed with essential tools like tire repair kits, tow ropes, and safety hammers, eliminating the need to search for separate tools during emergencies. The built-in 26,800 mAh power bank with dual output ports ensures your electronic devices remain charged, providing peace of mind with over 1,000 charging cycles. Safety is paramount with the Smart Cable's 10 protection functions, preventing potential hazards like short circuits and overheating, all housed in a durable flame-retardant casing. With 2 years of hassle-free returns and lifetime technical support, the Car Jump Starter Kit offers peace of mind, ensuring you're never stranded without assistance.